Hi, Tom here. In this week's Circle Line Art School video, I'll show you one way to draw the head of a horse. We can start by drawing the basic shape. The first step is to draw an oval at an angle. Next, draw a smaller circle below the oval. Now draw two lines to connect the oval to the smaller circle. Next, draw a line from the top of the horse's head going left for the top of the neck. Now draw a second line about halfway up the oval on the left, going left and going lower for the baseline of the neck. Now draw a circle for the eye of the horse. It needs to be on the oval about halfway up and quite far to the right. Now draw two simple triangles at the top for the ears. Then add a curve in the circle at the base for the nostril of the horse. Draw a simple line for the mouth. We can add a shape above the eye and some faint lines to show an indication of the jaw and some of the inner structure of the head, just by making lines with a soft pressure with the pencil. Now we have a very basic horse head. Time to extend the baseline of the jaw of the horse. I will soften some of the lines even more. At this stage it would be good to use an eraser to erase the basic shapes that we drew at the beginning, the oval and the circle, as we no longer need them. Next we can draw the hair of the mane for the forelock between the ears, and then the mane along the top line of the neck. Now I'll speed up the video a bit as it's time to add some shading. Start with the eye, draw some of the eyelashes at the top of the circle of the eye, and then darken the eye as dark as you can make it. And then using a softer tone, by pressing down less hard with the pencil, you could add some shading around the eye. Next, add some shading to the nostril and some softer shading, again around the area of the nostril and also the jawline and neck, making the shading really soft using the side of an eraser and also the side of a pencil so you don't get any sharp scratchy lines but a soft line. For this drawing I'm using a 4B pencil. Any soft dark pencil would be fine. To draw the horse mane, you could draw each hair using a hard, confident line and thinking about what direction that line should go. This takes a bit of time, but after a while the tonal shading, slowly increasing the shading and smudging with the side of an eraser, will have a good effect. Make sure the outline of the horse's head is dark and also really sharp, and then blend these sharp edges into the horse's head so the tone is always graded inside the head of the horse. Thank you for watching this drawing tutorial. If you'd like to learn more, please visit circlelineartschool.com. Thanks for watching and see you next time.